Email alerts. This option allows the DVR system to send you an email notification when movement is detected on one of your cameras. To enable this option, you will need a Gmail account. If you do not have one, please register for one and continue with the following steps. Log into your Gmail account. Click on Manage your Google account. Select the Security tab on the left and scroll down until you see Less Secure App Access. Turn on the Less Secure App Access. Now go back to your DVR's main menu. Select System, Net Service. Select the email option, double click on your mouse. Check the Enable box. In the first box, we are going to enter the SMTP server. We are going to be using Gmail. Click on Enter. The port that Gmail uses is 465. The encryption SSL. Username is going to be your Gmail account. So I will use brena.uk. Press enter. I will now enter the password of my Gmail account. For sender, give any name. For example, you can name it as home. Receiver will be the same Gmail account that you entered above. Title can be anything you want, for example, alarm message or front door. We will now do a mail testing to see if our mail has been set up correctly. Test success. If we go back to our Gmail account, you will see that we have two new messages. One is from Google, a critical security alert stating that we turned on the less secure apps. The second email is from ourselves, from our DVR system. A message has been sent from the DVR system just for test. Thank you for watching.